My name is Annie, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade congee, also known as juk or rice porridge, with a whole rotisserie chicken. First, I start cutting out the chicken breast and saving that to the side. Then I like to take the bones and the rest of the chicken and all the juices and put them in an 8-quart pot. I like to hand shred the chicken breast and place it on a plate to use at the very end before serving the finished congee. Now back to the pot. I will add 1 cup of washed raw long grain rice. Then I'll add 3 quarts of water. If you don't have quart containers, it's equivalent to 12 cups of water. And now it's cooking time. I like to place my pot on the medium burner, which is usually the front left burner on most stoves. I put the heat on high until the pot of chicken bones, rice, and water come to a boil. I place a cover on the pot, and when that comes to a boil, I like to turn it down to low heat, which is number 3 on my stove. Place the cover back on and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And as you can see, boil over sometimes does happen, so that's when I turn it way down to the lowest simmer. After I have cooked the congee for another 10 to 15 minutes, the rice should start to break down and have a thicker consistency. This is where I take out all the chicken meat and chicken bones. The meat gets taken out as well because all the flavor is in your congee. At this point, I like to turn the pot on high and start stirring the rice and broth. This is also when I add a teaspoon of salt and 1 full tablespoon of better than bouillon chicken stock flavor. I continue cooking and stirring until I get the consistency I like. When I get to the consistency I like, I start scooping the congee into a bowl and add a small scoop of grated ginger and some of the scallions on top. This is when I also add the shredded chicken that we had set aside from earlier. Now your congee is ready to serve and eat. Congee is great any time or day, but it is also the most comforting when you are under the weather. Enjoy!